I'm in London, got my beef from London.
If you are in a place where it's money, I can tell you one thing 100% for sure. If it's money that motivates you, it's not enough. Life is good, man. I'm not better than you. I am exactly like you. Good morning, good morning. So I just woke up, and the first thing I do every morning is I have my morning prayers that I need to do. So let's start there. Next thing is coffee. It's one of the most important things of the day. I have this coffee machine. It's amazing. I always choose my coffee creamer. Boom. Okay, coffee is done, and now the next thing, sparkling water from the morning. It's very good. And now we go out to the balcony and I do my meditation, I read something and so on. So let's go out. This is what I do every single day in the morning, and now 1 hour later I open my computer, I get myself my next coffee, so already the second coffee of the morning, and now it's time to log in some work, so let's do that.
One-on-one bitch at 18, one-on-one never again. One-on-one, get the cake in the butter, I kinda like.
Okay, so I have a surprise. I wanted to show you what I do for morning. The first, like after I open my computer, I start working, but look what showed up here. Look at this little baby girl. Good morning. She just woke up. My wife brought her to me. Hello, hello everyone. So fresh. She just got something to eat. Yeah, so this is how it is to be family man. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Easy, easy. You got something? My wife came and took my daughter. I just gave him some food and that took like 20 minutes. So yeah, it is what it is, right? Okay, so what I start by doing is I look at the gold charts here, the 4-hour candles. That's the first thing I do. I also have a lot of analysis from my team. They send me every day in the morning. So yeah, I start by analyzing the market. Today is the election day in the US, so the market will be very, very, very strange. I believe that. So let's see what will happen. I've looked at all the charts now. I got my overview over the market and what will happen today, and I planned the first trades of the day with my team very early in the morning. So next what I do is I get a look at all our numbers, business numbers from the day before. That's what I will be doing now. So yeah, this will take some time. And also I have a lot of messages on WhatsApp, emails and so on from yesterday. Even though I clean out everything before I go to sleep, I make sure there's no messages, nothing important though. I don't know, plus 50 messages, emails and so on I need to reply to in the morning, and then yeah, let's get those things done so we can go to, like within, let me see, 1.5 hours from now, 7 a.m. I leave to the gym. It's actually 1 hour and 10 minutes. I leave to the gym with the guys. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do now. Let's go. One important thing that I want to share is after, like I've been waking up early for many years, right? The days that I don't wake up early, I get behind on everything. I'm just like so focused in the morning, and that's who I am as a person. I'm so focused in the morning, everything going my way from the morning. That's how you manifest things, right? You get it done, you get it inside your brain, you believe you can do it, and then you get things like shit done. 3-4 important tasks, answered all my emails, all my messaging, everything done. Let's go fam, have a nice day.
So what is going to happen today, Sad?
Right now we're getting some breakfast at this beautiful hotel, and then we are going to the world highest
Sky pool.
infinity pool. Yeah, infinity pool on the 77th floor in Dubai. Let's see.
It's nice out here.
Count money.
Okay, so we arrived at this beautiful place. Look at the view. Look, show them the view from here. 77th floor is the highest infinity pool in the world, and we've rented this cabana right here. This is my workstation for the next hours with this beautiful view. Look at this. We have everything we need for the rest of the day until night, actually.
Yep.
So now we have some work to do with the team, and then we have a lot of content to do. Yeah, and enjoy life. Some trades. We already sent a lot of trades out, so life is good, man. Life is good.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas sweating past us, they doing too much.
You saw the view. We are at the nicest place out here working. Look at this. We've made the first setup right here, directly from our entry to our first take profit. Then we did our second setup. It went to a small drawdown, and then now to very nice profit, and we believe it will go more down. Everything is shared inside my channel for free. And then within like an hour or something, we closed in very nice profit, hit our first take profit. And let me show you my account, okay? Sorry, no bullshit right now, you can see it. And closed trades only today, $4,500. Life is amazing, and everything I'm sharing for free with everybody.
How is it actually, how can it be free?
How we do it for free?
Yeah.
That's a good question. It's very simple. I have an agreement with my broker where we trade like the, what do you call it? Yeah, the broker where we trade. Every time like I send them members, clients that deposit money, that start trading with us, they give us a kickback. That's it. So it's a business. I give them clients, they give me money, I give you my service for free. It's a win-win-win. Everybody makes money, everybody is happy, and the service is free for you. You also get access to support team that helps you. One-on-one conversations with my team that helps you get a good start. Free access to calls, to a community. Everything is free because they pay us. Very simple.
What is it that drives you the most when you do all these like risks and do all these kind of businesses?
It's a great question. Before, when I was younger, it was the money. Like that was everything for me. Right now, it's actually a weird thing. Actually, of course, my family, all these things, but one very weird thing that I will never go back to the life I had before. So if you are in a place where it's money, I can tell you one thing 100% for sure. If it's money that motivates you, it's not enough. It's never enough. All the people, most where money motivate them, they never achieve something big because they're only running for money. Listen, no matter what you do, as long as you are consistent, you believe in yourself, you take risk, you will succeed, you will make money. Money is eventually just a part of the game, right? But as long as you do something and you're consistent and you have a good business model, all these things, you will make money. Have something more, like a bigger purpose than money. It could be family, it could be legacy, it could be many, many things, but not just money. What do you like most about the sunset, my friend? It's beautiful.
Beautiful, it's one of a kind.
So I hope you enjoyed today with us, because we definitely enjoyed. We made a lot of content, we got a lot of good food, and now we didn't get a lot of good food actually, only a good breakfast, small one. Now we are going to get some good food. It was a nice place, address JBR, definitely recommended place. So yeah, let's go down to the JBR, Jumeirah Beach, and get something nice to eat. Let's go.
Nights like this, I need all of you. Nights like this, I send a call for you.